If your iPad is suddenly refused to connect to Wi-Fi and keeps trying to connect or connects to network but doesn't give you internet access, then there are few things that you can try. So first, open Settings app on your iPad. Now check for the VPN option, and if it is connected, then disable it right now. Also, if the Wi-Fi is connected but no internet, then click on this I button right to the connected Wi-Fi, forgot this network and reconnect to it again. Apart from this, if your iPad connects to another network without any problem, then the issue is probably with the original Wi-Fi network. And in that case, restart your router or contact with the internet service provider. Now if you're sure about the problem is with your iPad, then within the left side bar, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security option. And here select Location Services. Now again scroll down to bottom and click on System Services. Within this section, find Networking and Wireless and turn off the toggle right to it. Now again click on Turn Off option. After this, just force restart your iPad. Press and quickly release volume up button, then press and quickly release volume down button, and after that press and hold the top button and keep holding it even when the screen goes black, and release it only when you see Apple logo on your iPad screen. And once your iPad is start up completely, just open Settings app, go to Wi-Fi section and connect with the Wi-Fi again. Now if your iPad still cannot connect to an Wi-Fi network, then you should reset network settings. For this, go to General option. Now scroll down to bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPad. Within this section, click on Reset option and proceed with Reset Network Settings. Just click on it, then enter your iPad passcode here, and once the reset is complete, try connecting to your Wi-Fi network again and see if the problem is fixed. That's it. If you have any other problem, do let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.